Imagine you have a brand and you want to create a TV commercial. Are you going to use AI? Do you think it's even possible? This is what we did with Manus. In this episode of Working with Manus, we decided to create a storyboard for a 45-second shampoo commercial for the Brazilian market. We made up a brand, so we used a normal text model to create a fictitious brand from Brazil. We wanted to have a slogan in Portuguese and in English. We defined the target audience, the key brand elements. This took us 5 minutes. Very simple prompt, asking for all the brand elements of a shampoo company. The AI even came out with the brand. So we did it separately as a simple one, and then we put everything there into Manus, because we believe the quality of the output will be based on how much we've defined that brand and how much we define that brand identity. And it doesn't matter that it's fictitious, that was created by an AI separately. What is important is there are enough details that are going to nurture the creative process. And one thing important, we gave Manus the URL of a website where Manus can create images without requiring a login, a password, or even an account. The only problem is that this website is limited to 5 pictures per day. So the first thing that Manus does, Manus wants to create a brief. This is normal. This is part of a normal creative process. First, there needs to be a brief. So the brief is coming along, and Manus is submitting that brief. So Manus is starting to work, creating a first script of the various scenes, and then translate it into Portuguese, because we ask it to be translated to Portuguese, and creating those elements one by one. Yeah. It's even trying to generate some images, so using the free image generator that we gave to it, and it's generating the prompt by itself. So as part of the script, there is a description of what needs to happen. So this is the brief that is generated, very comprehensive. Executive summary, overview, target, brand positioning, the concept of the commercial, which is the Amazonian transformation. So because it happens in Brazil, the idea is to mix all the roots of the Amazonian forest and plants and well-being, and combine it with the modern life of a young Brazilian woman, 20 to 32, with long hair in a modern city. So that's what it comes. Different scenes, English and Portuguese. Technical specification, what needs to happen, production notes, marketing integration, measure of success, brand story, and timeline. So the timeline is wrong, and the budget is also wrong, because since we're going to use AI, it's not going to take that long to generate that video, and it's not going to take that long to generate all of that. Made a few adjustments, just what I said. We're going to use AI, so that has an impact on the creation. And we also asked to add a prompt for the music creation. So update to the brief, we have an updated brief. Manus was able to generate the storyboard, the pictures. We still have that issue. At the time that it was not able to integrate them, but that's fine. It just took a few more minutes to generate it in HTML and download it. So this is the result of the brief that was generated by Manus. This is what it looks like. So we have the commercial storyboard, we have the pictures, dialogue, and the voiceover, description of the action, description of the voiceover, and so on, and so on, and so on. That's it. The only thing that is left is to turn it into a video using those instructions, using those still pictures. So let's look at it.
Not again.
When ordinary products fail to bring life to your hair, nature holds the secret to truly luminous hair, deep in the Amazon, where ancient traditions meet modern science. Luminosa Cabelos combines Amazonian oils with keratin and collagen. For a transformation you can see and feel.
My shine comes from within. Luminosa Cabelos, shine that comes from within, beauty that's seen on the outside.
This is what you can do right now with this technology. So the last part, this video production was not done with Manus. We did it semi-manually by using other tools. If you want to know more about the AI tools that we use, you can register to our newsletter at systeminmotion.en/newsletter. And if you want to see more use cases about Manus, don't forget to register to our YouTube channel and keep a lookout on this playlist, Working with Manus.